everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I just received a new design team package from Country Craft Creations, and this is what I'll be working on next, so stay tuned and I'll go over it with you in just a few seconds. Believe it or not, it's that time of the year. Fall is arriving and it's time, if you're a paper crafter, to start thinking maybe about your Christmas holiday paper crafting. So this time on my design team package, I chose to go with a Christmas collection by Country Craft Creations. Now this is from last year. I never did have time to make anything with this beautiful collection, Sugar and Spice. Now the great thing about Country Craft Creations paper collections is they don't retire or go away. I mean, you may go on the online store and one of them may not be available at that moment because of demand or issues at the printer or something, but it will be back. So this is the 12 by 12 Sugar and Spice. It's a gingerbread themed paper collection, and it is so gorgeous. I love the colors of it. It's super cute little cookies and everything. So I was thinking, I think I'll make a recipe album for you, focusing so you could focus on a place to keep your favorite holiday recipes, or if you have a ton of cookie recipes, that would be great too, to have to give as a gift, or even for just for yourself to have in your kitchen. So this is the collection. I've got it all spread out here. I'm going to run through it real quick with you. You may already have this in your stash from last year, either the 12 by 12 or 8 by 8. I will be using the 12 by 12. If so, then pull that out and get to crafting with me on this, or head on over to the countrycraftcreations.com online store and place an order for your collection. You're only going to need one collection pack because these Country Craft Creation collections are loaded. You get 3 sheets of each pattern design, so you have plenty of paper to do projects. Then you get 2 sheets of the little tag thing cut aparts, and also the journaling cards or card cut parts. So anyway, also in addition, you can order the recipe cards. This comes with separate from the set. It doesn't come with the main collection. So if you want the recipe cards, there's 2 designs and you'll need to order those separately. So let's pull this all together and we'll go over the pattern designs of the collection first, and then I'll show you the recipe cards, and then I'll go over the cardstock colors that I'm going to be using with this. Okay, so this is your cover sheet. This is a fabulous pattern paper. It does have that glossy sheen to it. It's just wonderful to work with. It doesn't tear or crack or anything. If you've never used the Country Craft Creations pattern papers collections, you really should check them out. So as I said, this is Sugar and Spice. So this is your cover sheet. Keep this because you can actually fussy cut out these smaller icons, tags. Also, this stitched border is great sometimes for decorating, and these make wonderful little tags. So this is a great thing to have. The cover sheet is the same paper as the whole collection, so make sure you utilize that. These are the cut aparts. Now, this particular one, I noticed this one is pre-punched, so very easily to just punch those die cuts out like that. But then you have an extra sheet of them, which they're not punched out, that you can fussy cut or cut out elements as you want to use them. But it comes with this fabulous stripe. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to use these as my die cuts, and then this, I'll probably use this stripe on the back. Here are your journaling type card cut aparts. You get your 4 by 6 here at the top and your 3 by 4s down here. And then you have 2 border strips. Simply adorable. I love this gingerbread house and this cute little cup here. So the back side of this, and again you get 2 of these, is this wonderful red print here. So really love that. This is adorable. You've got the branches in the background, and it's not a traditional green. It's a really pretty kind of aqua color teal blue. You've got your sugar cookies in the shape of stars and your candies, the gingerbread house and the gingerbread man peeking around. And then the back side has the floral print, the greenery print on the back. So you do get 3 of those. On each of the patterns from now on, you will get 3 of each. So here is the larger gingerbread house and the cookies with the snowflakes in the background. Now my camera is pulling it up more as blue. It has more of a greenish blue tint to it. I've done a lot of adjusting with it, and I cannot get it to come in right. That is just the demons of video cameras, I suppose. This one has your peppermint candies, the cute little cup with the gingerbread man on it, and the ones on the bottom, sugar and spice, and then the back side, all these wonderful candies for a wonderful background. Then we have the plaid. Love this plaid. And we have the canisters for your sugar and flour and salt, and all the cookies and candies and the cookie cutters. Perfect plaid on the back. Here's another plaid. This is your teal and with some red threads going through it, with all the cookies that you can imagine, all the different shapes, and of course your plaid on the back. This is another favorite of mine. I love red with white dots. And so this one has more of the same icons, even got some cupcakes in here. And then, of course, your red dot on the back. This one has the berries and the cookies and candies. So the background is more of a cranberry looking color. And there they are all on the back, just like that. Let me tilt that up so the glare is not so bad. This one I love, the little diamond-shaped pattern on the background, the fresh baked, and then your cooking elements here, and of course the pattern there on the back. So that is the main collection. So if you order that, that's the 12 by 12, and you would get all of that in your 12 by 12 collection. Okay. Then separately, well, hopefully there'll be plenty available, but the recipe cards, you're going to grab the little number 1 and number 2. I may have them mixed up. I don't know which is which, but of course you won't both. And I got 2 of each, so I have there's 6 cards on each sheet, so that gives me 24 cards to add in there. And I am going to be using the white artisan cardstock. I got this in the design team package. I got 9 sheets. I don't know if I'll need all 9, but I'm going to be using this for matting. The base of my album is going to be black because I just think it makes everything pop. And so you got your black like here in this card in different places. So I'm going to use the base of the album is going to be black. Then I'm going to use white matting. And then I also chose the my colors, and this one is Tropical Splash Blue. I have 8. And then I have this really pretty red. This is my colors in Firecracker. I love Firecracker, and I got 8 of those. So Firecracker Red, my colors. Tropical Splash, my colors. White Artisan. 4 recipe card sheets, 2 of each. And 1 Sugar and Spice 12 by 12 collection. And that is my design team package for this go round. I'll be starting right away on this. I've already got my album planned and laid out, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell, then you'll be notified when that video is ready. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.